Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HONOR X7c. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and Allow all in the second one. Following that, tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Now you need to select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of HONOR. Then go back to an Android and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and to connect, hit Receive button. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your HONOR's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe.